can we use gaming technologies for professional visualization applications? Some people do. I'm a gamer myself. The technologies used for gaming are amazing. But there's some significant differences between the gaming video cards, for example, and professional visualization video cards. Just to frame this a little bit, the question about video cards is the primary question we get asked the most. The rest of the computer can be very similar for both applications. In the case of GPUs or video cards, professional visualization cards have quite a few benefits while still performing anything that a gaming card will do. Some of those benefits are that with the professional visualization cards, they come with tech support. If you need help, if you've got a bug in your software or there's a bug in the driver or something just isn't working right, you can call the manufacturer and you can get help with this problem. Another kind of aspect to this that is just huge for our professional customers is the availability of cards. Gaming cards aren't available all year. If you watch that market, you'll see that before the new cards come out, the market is weeded out or drained of all of the current product. So there can be 2, 3, 4 months during the year when you can't get any given particular gaming card. Conversely, the professional visualization cards are typically available for a couple more quarters after a new card is launched. And then you can do an EOL with the last time buy. Further, the professional cards have roadmaps. There's an actual roadmap that tells you when a new card will come out, so you can plan a transition or hang back the last time buy, depending on what you want to do. And this is because in professional visualization applications, consistency is important. You need to have predictable results. You need to have the same kind of performance and the same kind of result every time. Now, another difference between the two technologies is even though they have the same, potentially have the same GPU architecture, or the main graphics processor will have the same architecture on a gaming card as it will on a professional card, there are still some differences. Every one of these cards is supported by a software driver that introduces it to the OS, and it's the interface for the operating system and the applications. In the case of gaming technologies, the driver is tuned for performance. If the frame isn't ready, get it out anyway, keep up the frame rate, because at the end of the day, you need the speed, the fluidness of the motion for games. But in a professional application, that's not the case. In a professional application, you still need performance, and you get it with the professional cards. But what you get that might not be apparent is the driver itself is tuned for accuracy down to the pixel. So whether you're doing a visualization, a rendering task, or you're doing product development tasks, or you're doing training and simulation, per pixel accuracy can be incredibly important.